idea we were going for the Ninja Defuse, and I was just camping. I was camping right there, and then my friend Get Buttercup was right there, and we were just kind of waiting out, and that guy walked right in front of me. It was so scary. I was like, oh crap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's all. There was so many, like, it was so weird. I don't know how the guy didn't see us. We were just sitting there. I had a flashbang. He had a hacker. He's kind of stupid because his legs are hanging out, but whatever, you know. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed.